M0FXB. Right, we're just going to create a code plug for our RT3S dual band or MD380UV. That's the VHF UHF dual band version. So the first thing we want to create, we're basically going to do this for our hotspot. So the first thing we do is put in our call sign. So put the call sign in here, M0FXB. There you go. And then you need to put in your DMR number here. So I won't put mine, but DMR goes here. Okay. And then close that. Now we need to create a zone. So we're going to create a zone. And here we're going to double click on zone 1. And we're just going to put in the word hotspot. Hotspots. Hotspot. There you go. So we have our zone created. Okay. So add. All right. So here it says hotspot. So now we need to create the channel to put in our hotspot. So we're going to go to channel. Now we have a channel here. So we'll double click it and we're just going to rename it. We're going to do the first channel, channel talk group 9. Okay. And we're going to do the frequency, the same as our hotspot, which is 433.550. Okay. We're going to do this for a DMR radio. 433.550. And then we're going to go here, we're going to click digital. Digital. Okay. And we're going to do the power to medium. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the timeout 180. That's 180 seconds. Okay, now the last thing we got to do is tell it that it's talk group 9. So first of all, we have to create talk group 9 or add it to our list. So we go digital contacts. These are going to be all of our talk groups. But for now, we're just going to add 2. We're going to do number 9. And we're going to call it local, because that's what number 9 is called. Then we're going to add one more, and we're going to call it 91, and that's the talk group for worldwide. So we're going to call it worldwide. Worldwide. Okay, so we've got our 2 talk groups that we're going to use on our hotspot. Now we could add many more talk groups, but normally with talk group 9, you can use the radio to link into all sorts of talk groups. So we've created our channel, and then we've created our talk groups, our 2 talk groups. So now we're going to select here, where is it? Group list. No, let's get it right. Contact name, local, which is number 9. Number 9. Then we'll click OK. So we'll click add. So that's that one done. Now we have to do this one for talk group 91. So the quickest way is to copy, paste it here, and then we got the right frequencies and everything. All we need to do is change our number here to 91, which is worldwide, and call it worldwide 91. Okay, so we've now got 2 channels, and all we've got to do now, need to put those 2 channels into our zone called hotspot so we can find them. So one's already in there. So look, this is A band, this is B band. This is just a list of channels that we can create, and we can create as many channels as we want. So all we do is click the channel for the A band and send it across. So it's now in it's in zone hotspot, and it's in band A, and then we want, or in the main band of the top half of the radio. The bottom half is the sub band or the B band. So we're going to send that across. So now we have one zone with 2 channels in it, and that's enough that are on the same frequency as our hotspot. So now we just send it to the radio. We send that to the radio, and when you use the radio, you'll have one zone with 2 channels. Now if we look at the hotspot, go into the dashboard here, we need the same frequency, 433.550. We need our DMR number, and we need our call sign. We need DMR mode on it'll be simplex. And that's the settings for our hotspot. If we have an OLED screen, we select OLED. This stays the same. And then scroll down, and this is the radio modem that you need to have. And then nearly everyone will connect to Brandmeister 2341. So further down in DMR config, just choose Brandmeister 2341 like that, and then it will give you the option to add your password underneath. Once you apply the changes, make sure you get the password on self-care Brandmeister. So 7.3. Hope this helps you set everything up. All the best for now.